Hey YouTube fam, welcome to another video. It's lunchtime here at home and I am eating something that I think I just said a few days back I'm not gonna eat any for the rest of the year, but I happen to do some and all I have is it and I'm gonna be eating it. So I am eating something here that I said ackee and saltfish that I'm eating. I just prepared it live for you on the cooking channel. I'm eating and I want to eat and talk with you a little. So I got me here, somebody had suggested, I think it was Sylvita, some lemonade. So after I finished my live, Dad made me some nice lemonade. Always make your lemonade with brown sugar, lots and lots of lime. I got a lot of lime in St. Mary the other day. So limey, icy cold. Look at the glass, look at it. You see it? So I've got my lemonade here, just a little sugar to taste, lots and lots of lime and ice. I'm gonna get a grace in. I'm gonna eat a little with you. Wanna know my eating not a prim and proper? So if you want prim and proper eating, if you're here and you're watching and you're looking for prim and proper eating, I don't think this is the place for you. Let me get a grace in. God is good, God is great. Let us thank him for this food. Amen. Now I have my dumpling, cornmeal, but it's a little bit of cornmeal that I put in there. I don't put a lot. So it's a little dumpling. Yes, I'm gonna be eating with you the realest way. I'm a realist, so everything I do is always real. I don't put on, I don't try to show off myself. I don't try to do what I'm not. So I am not. If I get avocado, I'll eat it, but I'm not too much of an avocado eater, you know? So, I've got a piece of yellow yam. I was saying that my yam is really dry, and the yam, they may choke you. So, some people are against eating and talking. I try my best to do it, you know, but some people, it doesn't matter what you do, they have problems with it. But as you know, I always say, do you, be you. So red pepper, I'm gonna taste my red pepper. As you see by the title, it says don't allow people to draw you out too much. There are some people. First, let me say, this is the world at large. Some of us, we do what we want to do. And even though we do what we want to do, and we have the opportunity, we do it. Nobody messes with us. But at the same time, we are into other people's lives, wanting to tell them what to do. You know? You know, some people say, don't eat on the camera. It's disrespectful. You are telling me that because you would not eat on the camera or you don't eat on the camera. That's you. When I eat on my camera, it's not against any YouTube rules. I can eat well. It's my channel. I do what I want to do. So if you feel offended by me eating on my camera, you just don't watch. Okay? So, like people, especially, I don't think it's like on YouTube alone or social media. When you portray the person that you are, and people tend to come and want to drag you out. Sometimes they come to drag you out because they see that there's something in you or something in what you're doing that might lead you into a little better place sometime in the future. So, what I want to say, do not allow anybody to drag you out. Oh, don't do this, don't do that. And come to say this and to say that each time, or each time you come on social media, whether you come live or you put up a video, oh, don't do this, don't do that. Do not try to engage in too much with them. Stay focused, you know? Stay focused. Don't allow them to drag you down too much, you know? In other words, my father would have said, nobody la 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 up with them. Because the moment you start la 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 up with them, that's what they want. You know? They have all the time in the world, because you're not the only one actually they do this to. You know? That's their job. They have all the time in the world to come and to, you know, to go and do what they want to do and to say what they want to say. Because sometimes when they find out that you are gravitating to what they're saying, they feel good. They feel elevated and feel real nice. Yeah, yeah man, my guitar, she answer me back. And at the same time, you keep answering them and to and from with them. You're tarnishing your brand. Because sometimes you don't even know who is really onto your channel, who is really watching you, or who are really in tune to what you're doing. So I will encourage you, whether you're on social media, at the workplace, at church, anywhere. Nobody allow them people to drag you out too much. You know? To suit them. Sometimes it's not even to suit them. It's just that they want to see how strong you are. You know? Or sometimes you might come here and you eat. You take this dumpling and you go like this. And they say, oh, that is so low. But at the end of the day, when you put your fork in your dumpling like that, remember that you eat and I'm going to nothing. I'm sorry. Banana soft. At the end of the day, you taking your fork, put in your dumpling and bite it. Might that be that video will go viral for you, you know, as a social media creator, you know, or a social media person. So what are you going to focus on? You're going to focus on them saying, who? That's nasty. I would never do that. Are you going to focus on them saying that? Or you going to focus on when you bite the dumplings to say a video go viral? Think about it. You can't let them draw you out too much. Stay in your own space. Because the moment you let them pull you out too much and you get them, you get yourself in their space. Let me give you a dumpling now. No, somebody will eat pampers at the dumpling and the ackee. Look at that. Ackee and saltfish at its best. Jamaican style. I did it live. Not a tutorial because I have so many ackee tutorials up there. When you allow them to pull you out in their space, you won't win. No, you never come out victorious because they have pulled you into their space. You don't have any experience in working or operating from their space. Therefore, they say them out get you. Stay in your space. They don't want to see you eating. They have options not to see you eat. But still, some people, they don't want to see you do stuff and they have options. But they still stick around and watch you do stuff and then criticize and complain. So think about that. Why do you want to stick around? You don't like what I'm doing. So why do you stick around? Why do you stick around each time I come around with the things that I like to do or that I want to do? Why do you stick around? Don't you realize that you can never change me? You are doing that to They do that to drag you out, to pull you out of your little comfort zone and space where you're in. Yeah. Oh, pardon me. That's my signature belt from the Jamaican mukbanging vlog. A lot of people don't like it. Oh, that's nasty. Okay, you don't have to watch. Because once you see me eat, you know me have a belch. Don't make them drag you out. Just do you. But sometimes you have to be smart, you know. You have to try to keep your head on, especially in these last days. You gotta try to keep your head on. Yeah. You're a Jamaican or a Caribbean person, yeah. We eat dumpling. We eat banana. We eat fried dumpling. If I was eating fried dumpling with this, I would have my fork taking up my ackee, have my hands eating my fried dumpling. I'd open my fried dumpling, take my fork, put my ackee in there. Nobody now draw me out to take my fork, eat fried dumpling. If I have the dumpling, I tear with the fork and the knife. No. You want to do that, do that. And to be honest too, if you are doing that, I'm not going to watch you do that. So I won't stick around to complain. Because it's just your thing. But try to remember that when you see me doing the opposite, try to remember that it's my thing. You know? So, some people like their ackee with fried dumplings. I'm not an ackee lover, but not ackee enough, but I prepared it today. I'm going to say I eat it. Remember, I didn't say I don't eat it, you know. I don't like it to eat it like very often. So I had it about 2-3 days ago. Now I'm eating it. I really don't like it like that. There's some people watching now, and it will be the best thing for them to find themselves at Jamaica, eat a dumpling and some ackee. And there are some people watching. They're gonna criticize. You cannot please the person you're eating and the people love to see. You can't please everybody. Please yourself. Sometimes maybe if they had known how nice some ackee and dumpling or that is. Remember, we are Caribbean people, we grow up on this, you know. Some people might want to say otherwise because some people them grow up on you and them go on like them grow up on you. And this is anybody can prepare for you to enjoy it. So I'm just saying to you, try the way suit you. Don't cook your food and make nobody put you on a strain for eat it. No. Oh, I never see you do this. And I never see you do that. Oh, you want to see me do this. Or you want to see me do that. But have you thought about that I don't want to do this or that? Have you thought about that? Oh, why don't you do? I never see you do this. I never see you do that. Have you ever thought, maybe I don't want to do this or to do that? This is what I want to do. Yeah. And I'm not speaking randomly right here. As a YouTube creator. And not only on like mukbangs or anything. You know? But on your videos only. Don't go into too much back and forth in with them on the live or in the comment section. Try not to go into it with them. That's what they like. That trigger them. That makes them happy. Do you. Do what suits you best. Don't go back and forth with them, you know? And whether on social media or not, sometimes you got a co-worker, you got a neighbor, whoever. They're always in problems with what you do. You try to be back and forth with them. As they see something in you and they're trying to cramp your spirit. Yeah. So, food almost done. The sun is so hot on the outside. I don't hear any thunders yet. I'm not sure if any rain is gonna fall today. I feed them much today. That was sometime. I'm going to be sleeping. And that makes this lemonade so good. There's a little bit of sugar, lots and lots of lime, and ice. So, pardon me. I don't hold much. I hope you did enjoy eating with me. And if you want to see me eat with you more often when I make my meals, you can comment. You know, I try my best. I did it with you a few times on this channel, but I just decided I wanted to come today. I have quite a few really important, very informative videos coming up for you. Stay tuned. Remember to make sure you subscribe. Remember to like the videos. Remember to leave me a comment below. Right? I'm on the lookout for everything. So remember, it doesn't matter. Don't let people drag you out too much. If you're a person that loves to do this, just do what you want to do. It doesn't matter what they want to come and say, whether they want to say it in a comment or if they want to come and say it to your face. Why don't you do this? Oh, pardon. Why you keep doing that? Why you always aware this come work? Why you got to do this so that everything you do they have? Just don't try to, you know, they say mean things. Just don't, you know, maybe one or two times as a human being you answer, you reply. But no, but my father would have said toe to toe. Don't make them carry you too much in them lane, because you're not gonna win them there. Stay in your lane. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on another live or with another video.